Since 2017, we have experienced catastrophic fires with the burning and the smoke that's emitted off these wildfires, a tremendous amount of carbon released into our atmosphere. Now with the climate change and the hotter temperatures, we are experiencing more frequent, large-scale wildfires across the Cariboo. When a wildfire starts in these interior Douglas fir stands, there's so much secondary growth and ingress underneath the canopy that the wildfire easily gets up into the canopy of the trees, and they become very, very hot fires, and they move extremely quickly.
We see wildfires that are spreading bigger and faster than we would have expected in the past, and going beyond what that natural disturbance would normally have been in some of those ecosystems. And in some ways, we've become very reactive in how we choose our stands to harvest, because we're trying to target those places to mitigate some of those forest health concerns.
Yeah, so it burnt here early this summer. Pretty catastrophic fire, really a stand reset. So part of what we're doing throughout the Cariboo area is looking at how we can harvest some of these sites to ensure that we've got healthier forests and more sustainable forests for the long term, making them resilient. There is a role for forestry and harvesting to be able to mitigate some of those effects of these large wildfires. We know that reforesting these sites will sequester carbon, and taking some of the damaged stands out, thinning out, creating more stand resilient stands for the future, and also reforesting some of the sites will be a benefit overall for carbon.